Wow, wow, wow. You're never going to believe the weather out here today. It's like 60 degrees and it's like overcast. Look behind me. It's like, looks like it's going to rain. And you know, that's no good because we got a party. Anyway, so I just thought I'd say hi. Unfortunately, you know, I don't have much else to say, but eventually I'll think of something to say and then I'll be back. So I'm not sure what we're doing this weekend. It's either Techno Build 3 or something else, but then come New Year's Eve, oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm doing yet, but you're not gonna want to miss it. See you around.